What's up, everybody? Doug here. Kind of bored playing in my garage. I'm going to do a review of this Lexivon torque wrench, half-inch drive torque wrench. My old one died. I had a little Craftsman 3/8 and it got rusty and it's totally inaccurate now. I wanted something that went to 200 pounds, and there weren't that many out there that weren't Snap-on or Mac. This one goes to 250. At some point I'm going to do some tests of torque wrenches, or impact guns. I want to do some torque rating videos on those, but I didn't see any videos really about this except for sponsored ones that looked like they were basically made by the company themselves. So I wanted to make one. So there's quite a bit on the box. They're very mindful of their accuracy. Each one has a serial number, and it's, has a guaranteed accuracy rating. I don't need anything really that accurate. It is nice to know, but for what I'm using it for, I don't need super accurate. There's some other things about the knurling. Hopefully you guys can see all this okay. So yeah, I'm going to do a little unboxing. You could pause this if you want to read it. It's such a big box I can barely get it all in the frame. It's definitely heavy. If I had to guess, I'd say it's about 6 pounds. Case feels nice, stout, feels like a really good case. Right off the bat, there's certificates of calibration, and they're obviously very big on how accurate this thing is, which is important. It's a torque wrench, you want it accurate. I personally don't need any super mega accuracy. So yeah, definitely feels very, very stout, very beefy. Here's the unlock and lock. So you turn it to unlock it, get this where you want it, and then lock it. Yep. And then it won't move. So yeah, I'll end up doing some reviews on this. I just wanted to shoot a quick video of the old unboxing. It is definitely Excalibur-like. This thing is a beast. This thing's really sweet. So yeah, Lexivon torque wrench. I think it's about 65 bucks. Well, thanks for checking me out.